Dear student, we are going to study the second topic, the meaning of numbers having index in the rational form m upon n. Here, a raised to power m upon n can be written in two ways as a raised to power m raised to the power 1 by n, and in second ways a raised to power m upon n is equal to a raised to power 1 upon n raised to the power m. Now, reading of this is as nth root of mth power of a, and reading of this is mth power of nth root of a. Means we can read the a raised to power m upon n in two ways. First, nth root of mth power of a, and here mth power of nth root of a. For example, 8 raised to power 2 by 3. We can read this in two ways. First, cube root of square of 8, and in second way square of cube root of 8. Now, practice set 3.2. Question 1. Complete the following table. Serial number 1. First number is 225 raised to the power 3 by 2. Here we have to write the reading of this number. पावर ऑफ द रूट, यहाँ पे पावर 3 है और रूट 2 है, तो थर्ड पावर यानी इसको बोलते हैं क्यूब ऑफ स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 225, क्यूब ऑफ square root of 225. Now here second, यहाँ पे पहले रूट लिखना है, तो स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ क्यूब ऑफ 225, स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ क्यूब ऑफ 225. Now second, 45 raised to the power 4 by 5, मीन्स यहाँ पे फोर्थ पावर ऑफ फिफ्थ रूट ऑफ 45. यहाँ पे पहले पावर पढ़ना है, फोर्थ पावर ऑफ फिफ्थ रूट ऑफ 45. नाउ हियर पहले रूट पढ़ना है, फिफ्थ रूट ऑफ 4th पावर ऑफ 45. Now next example, 81 raised to power 6 by 7. यहाँ पे पहले पावर पढ़ेंगे, सिक्स्थ पावर ऑफ 7th रूट ऑफ 81. Now here 7th root of 6th power of 81. Now second question of practice set 3.2. Write the following numbers in the form of rational indices. Means we have to write the statement in rational indices. Here first example, square root of 5th power of 121. Means we write first 121 square root of, यानी रूट में 2 और 5th पावर यानी पावर में 5 मीन्स 121 raised to the power 5 by 2. Now second example, cube of 4th root of 324. Now here 324 raised to the power cube यानी power 3, cube of 4th root of यानी upon में 4, 324 raised to the power 3 by 4. Now 5th root of square of 264 इसका 5th root यानी upon में 5 of square यानी ऊपर 2 and 264 raised to the power 2 by 5. Now last example, cube root of 3 यानी 3 को पावर 3 रहेगा क्यूब और रूट भी 3 रहेगा, 3 raised to power 3 by 3. In this way we study the practice set 3.2 example 1 and 2. Now remaining example of practice set 3 by 2 you have to solve in your copy.